In today's video, I'm going to be raising a human baby that's, well, not Gregory. Leave a like on this video if you enjoy it, and also subscribe in the next 2 seconds if you want me to be your mommy. Alright, Gregory, are you ready to meet your little brother?
I think so. Oh boy.
Oh boy, here we go. Welcome to your first test of the Mother Simulator Show. Oh, is that a new channel? Anyways, during each test, blah blah blah, I'll be fine. I know how to be a mother.
She knows how to be a mom.
Probably.
It's okay.
Hello, little baby. It wants a binky. Do I have a binky? Oh,
there
I
you
do.
go. Binky.
It's dirty, though. What am I supposed to... Oh, I dropped the binky.
Oh, no.
I threw the binky.
Oh, no.
There we... Oh, I'm washing
Nice.
the binky.
There you
Okay, here we are. And here you go, little baby. Enjoy
Yay,
your
10
binky.
points.
Oh, that's all I had to do. All right, training.
You had
Let's
2
go.
full minutes to do that.
Gift from the baby.
Oh,
no. I don't know if I'm going to be good at this part, Gregory.
Yeah, this might be interesting.
Its diaper is certainly stinky. How do I even get it? Okay, I got it.
Oh, it
is there a
has stink lines.
Of course it has. Okay. Oh, wait, do I have to clean the baby?
I don't think so.
Oh, wow. Come here,
this
baby.
is,
Oh,
Roxanne! Oh my
so sorry, little...
Roxanne!
Okay. I'm just gonna...
Oh, no. You only
Okay.
have 10 seconds left, Roxanne.
I'm powering the baby.
Oh my god!
No diaper. Where did the baby go?
It's in the trash! Oh no! Roxanne, put it back! Put it back!
Maybe I shouldn't be a mommy.
You're fine. This is...
A gift from the baby. Oh, I already did that one. Dinner is served. Oh boy. Surely I'll be
scared.
better at this one, right?
Hopefully.
Oh,
You have
alright.
3 minutes to do
Why
this
is
one.
the baby
so.
not wearing a diaper? Oh, I don't. Oh, put on some clothes, sir. Oh, what happened to these bottles?
Did you drop it in like a Pennywise's sewer?
Maybe. I guess I did. So that's clean.
Perfect. No, we don't even have to use soap.
Wow.
Oh, no.
Getting some milk.
Is
There
that
we
milk
go.
or water?
Well, this is water. Now we have to add the stuff.
Wait, I'm so sorry. You can just make fake milk like this? Roxanne!
I didn't mean to. I had gotten it ready to throw and I didn't know. Okay, is it... I don't know how to put it in, Gregory.
Let me just lay it under where the
no, I
it's
got dirty again. Greg, what am I supposed to do?
You know...
Oh no, how am I supposed to feed the baby?
no.
Okay, I got this. Sit up. Sit
no.
up. Sit up.
You got this.
I can do
no.
3 hours later.
it. Okay.
Oh no.
Alright,
It's
I'm
just
going
everywhere.
to put the water. Okay. Oh no. Okay.
Here we
One
go
more
again.
time. Let me just wash this really quick.
4th time's
Don't
the
mind
charm.
me.
We got it.
We're going to get ourselves some water. I don't know what any of that says. Okay, it stood up that time. That's good.
Perfect. Okay, now we just need to put the
Oh, I think it did it. Okay.
Oh no, the baby's
crying.
screaming. The baby's screaming.
Okay, it's fine,
This
it's
should
fine.
be good. It's good enough.
Do you
Here
want
go, baby.
this milk? Okay. I think I did it. Is it?
Did we do it?
Oh, it threw.
Oh,
Hey.
Okay,
That's
that
been
was
a long
not
time.
laughing.
Oh,
it's Pinky, it's Pinky.
I don't want to do this ever again, so I need to
Why
get
is
this
it-
right.
Why is it always dirty?
I don't know. The baby threw the bottle. My carpets must be covered in something.
Yes, you did it.
Oh my god, that was stressful. hard moving. Finally, you were discharged from the Robo Maternity Hospital.
Oh no.
Now you have to look after not only your electronic baby, but also yourself.
Wait, it's an electronic baby?
I thought, okay, that's good, because when I threw it earlier, I felt really bad, but now I don't have to feel bad, I guess.
Oh, this wallpaper is, loud. Oh, why is this house so large all of a sudden?
I don't know, why are there so many dishes? Here's the binky, turn that off. We have, oh, I just realized I have a food meter. Oh, I need to eat. Oh no.
You need to eat?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright, let me just eat a bunch.
What the heck?
Fill up my food meter. Hopefully we have more food, otherwise this is going to be very unfortunate. I have a feeling the baby's going to want a bottle, so I'm going to go ahead and clean this.
Yeah, that's not a bad idea.
There's my milk stuff. Let me just make sure. Is that what the baby wants? Yes, of course it is, because I'm such a perfect mother. I know these things. Right, Gregory?
He's got the motherly instincts.
Of course,
obviously, yes.
always. I just need to take this.
Oh.
I just need to take this. I need to pour some water into it. There we
Crushing
go. Yeah. Where?
Oh.
Well, I'm going. Okay. We're going to try this again. Oh no, I
look,
need
Mark
to
said
eat.
you need to eat.
Okay. Okay. Let me just. Okay. Well, that's just going to have to wait. Apple. Do I have any more food in the fridge?
I
How am I
don't
supposed
know.
to eat? Oh, here we go.
There's a cake. Just eat the cake.
Okay,
Do what
cake.
you gotta do.
It didn't give me that much food, I'm going to be honest, and I still
No,
need to get
none
the
of
baby
them
a
really
bottle.
do.
Oh, the baby is throwing a tantrum, Gregory. This is hard. Mothership it's really difficult.
Yeah, I don't ever want to be a mother.
Okay, where's the milk? Here we go. I think I just do this. Oh no.
Oh no. You literally charged up your arm to throw
I
it.
know. I don't know if it went in. Oh, there. Okay, I don't know why it's so finicky. Alright, I need a milk bottle cap. And then turn this on, and then wash this. Here you go, baby. I know
Everything's great.
I'm gonna get some food while it's eating, and then I'm probably going to have to change its diaper.
Oh no, I think you're out of food,
Well,
Roxanne.
how am I out of food? Oh, there's...
There's a piece of pie on the floor. There you go. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter if you eat dirty food. There's not the
Right.
baby.
Yeah,
There's not the
baby.
electronic baby. The robot baby can't have bad food.
Yeah,
but
we
you
should
can.
clarify. It's an electronic baby. Alright, now I'm just going to have to change... Oh, no, it was its binky again. Where did your binky go? I gave you a binky.
Where did you put it? Oh, it's on the floor. It's on the rug.
Well, isn't there one in here, too? Yes.
Yeah, there's one in here too.
Thank goodness, this sink has been running this whole time. Oh, hopefully that doesn't
Yeah, our
overflow
water
or
bill's
anything.
probably not going to be
No, but
cheap,
that's fine,
That's
because at least
okay.
I'm taking care of my baby. Are you going to poop or not? Thank you.
Oh,
All right,
no,
let me
okay.
take this diaper. Is this the... I don't know. Is this where I put the... Okay. Ew.
Sure.
Powder.
Powder.
Oh no.
Oh no.
I don't want to throw the powder at my baby, even if it is a robot. But I'm a robot too, and I wouldn't want powder thrown at me. All right.
Yeah, you're not
Oh
wrong.
no, I'm
Oh, no.
hungry again. Okay, but I
Okay,
think...
are we good?
Oh,
Yes!
Gregory.
You're such a good
Oh
mother.
my goodness.
Look at you go.
Look at my hand. It's just glitching out. Oh,
Maybe you are a robo.
3-pointer throw.
How many nappies your robot kid has made dirty? Throw them out as quickly as possible to earn the maximum number of points?
Well, that sounds fun. Let's see if I can
This
do
does
it.
sound fun.
Oh my.
Oh.
Okay. Well, we all know that I'm good at throwing things, so.
Yeah, apparently.
Did it make
Uh-oh.
it?
Oh no, you have to make 10 baskets.
Oh.
Oh,
Well,
no.
I threw it at it, but. Oh. Oh, I did
Yes!
one. All right.
Oh, and you get points for every one you make.
That totally made it, if you ask me, but.
Honestly, same.
Oh, all right.
Yes!
And. Yes!
Nice.
all
Oh my
I'm
gosh,
getting good at
Roxanne.
this.
You're killing it here.
I'm the
Okay.
diaper throwing
Oh, no.
master, Gregory.
Apparently.
Oh, that one's
Yes!
easy to get into. I'm just gonna go
Try
for
to get that one
one
like all the way up. Yeah, see if you can get it.
Oh, I actually did.
Roxanne.
Wow. Can I get this one right here? Oh, maybe not. That one's a little hard. Okay.
Yes! You'll need 4
6
more.
out
You're
of
killing
10.
it.
Okay, that one I missed. That I just threw that one. How about this one? No. Okay,
Oh,
it just
no.
bounced off. It's fine. I've got 3
Was it
minutes.
me or are the dirty diapers multiplying?
Yes, they respawn. Oh, my baby's still here. Can I throw the baby into the basket, I wonder?
You should try that for number 10.
Oh, I can't.
Hold on.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, I don't think... Okay, anyways. All
Did
right.
you just puke?
The baby?
Oh no, there's just poop all over the floor. Oh, you're stepping in it.
Yeah. All right.
Nice. One more.
One more, Gregory. Hey!
Yes!
Oh, can it? Oh, I thought it was going to let me keep going. All right, here we are. Oh, food poisoning.
Food poisoning.
You are poisoned, and now you need to visit the toilet.
Wait, you are not the baby?
And I'm an animatronic. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, there's a toilet scale now. Don't let it overflow. Visit the restroom in time.
Restroom in time?
Oh no! And the the baby. Where's the bathroom? That's not a bathroom. No. Oh no, this isn't a bathroom. Is this a bathroom? That feels like a front door. This is
literally
the bathroom.
last possible choice.
Okay, the toilet. Why am I losing points? I'm going party. I do need to change the diaper of the baby, but I wanted to get that down. How do I get? Okay. Oh, plus 23. All right. Okay, baby. Here, let me take your diaper and put it over here.
That meter's filling up quickly.
I know. I guess I drink a lot of fluids, Gregory. Diaper, boom. What do you want? What else do you want? Stop laughing and tell me what you want. Binky. I knew it.
Binky.
I had a feeling. All right.
I feel like you can get the Binky cleaned and back before you have to go to the bathroom again.
I think so too. All right. Clean the Binky.
The water's fine to be on. No one cares.
Yeah, no one cares about the water. All right. I'm going to run to the bathroom before it gets... Oh. Did I not flush? I must not have... Oh, wow. Ew. Do I need to flush the toilet? I do need to flush the toilet. What do you want? Oh, you want a bottle? My favorite thing to do, feed my baby.
Oh no. Okay. Oh no, you only have 45 seconds, Roxanne.
All right, I got this. Speed running, just like Dream in those Minecraft videos.
Exactly, but with a baby.
No, are you kidding me?
Oh no.
If it just stands up straight. Okay. Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no.
Okay. I don't know if I've got this right.
Oh no, you have to go to the bathroom too, right? Wait, what happens if you don't go to the bathroom?
I don't know, but I think I need to go again because if I finish the bathroom, I'll get a few more seconds to make the bottle.
That's true. That's true.
Oh no, come on. Okay.
Only 19 more seconds.
Okay. Oh no, that wasn't good at all. Where did the bottle go?
Where'd the bottle go?
Oh no, Gregory, I might not have this.
There's a croissant.
Maybe the croissant, the food makes my stomach worse. Where's the bottle, Gregory? I don't think I'm going to do this. Oh no.
I think the bottle's on the stove.
Is it? Oh, it is.
Oh no.
Formula. And I guess I should retry, shouldn't I?
Yeah, this one's a lot. I didn't know that you had such a bad stomach, Roxanne.
Me neither, but at least I know the order of things so I can kind of prepare, you know? Okay, maybe I should go to the bathroom first.
Oh, definitely.
All right, plus 20. Let me flush the toilet. Oh, no.
Oh, wait. You just lose points for going on the toilet no matter what.
That's stupid. I gotta do what I gotta do.
But you have to go on the toilet. What the heck?
Powder the baby. Diaper the baby. Wash the Binky. Go, Roxanne. Go, Roxanne, go.
You got this, Roxanne. You got this.
I feel like just making the bottles, it's really finicky, in my opinion.
It is quite finicky. I would go to the bathroom really quick. Just get out of the way.
Sure. All right, then we'll make the bottle and hopefully not run into any issues. Yes, just getting on the toilet, you know, takes points away. Am I going to have to do laundry too? My goodness.
Oh, no. Hopefully not.
Okay. Man, this food poisoning sure sucks.
Yeah, it's quite something.
It is indeed. Let me just wash this really quick.
See if you can put the powdered milk in without it being upright.
Okay. I don't know if it's going in.
Oh no.
I'd like to think it is. Oh, there's sausages in the pan.
That's nice.
I think I might have to do the water first. I don't know though. It's hard and I don't know where the top of this bottle just went.
No.
Oh no, and I have to go to the bathroom again. Why is this so hard? Can I just let it spill out while I put the
Oh,
Gregory, I don't know if I've got this. This is really hard. Being a mother, it's just too much for me.
Yeah, this is quite a lot.
I guess maybe I'll have better luck next time.